Best new cars for 2018. 1. Alfa Romeo 5 Series Rival. Price, from £35,000, est. On sale, late 2018. The impressive Giulia has revived Alfa Romeo's fortunes in the compact executive saloon sector, and now the Italian brand is looking for a similar turnaround against the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class. Its as yet unnamed four-door will use a platform developed from the Giulias, much as Jaguar does with the XE and XF, so it will be offered with the same engines and should deliver a similar driving experience. If the car lives up to the styling of our exclusive preview image, the new, larger Alfa will offer the same catwalk looks as its smaller brother. 2. Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Price, £66,000, est. On sale, early 2018. Alfa Romeo signaled a statement of intent by first revealing its groundbreaking SUV in hot Quadrifoglio guise. However, while the standard petrol and diesel cars are available to order now, we'll have to wait a bit longer for the super quick QF version. Power comes from the same 2.9-liter petrol V6 twin-turbo as found in the top-spec Giulia, and with 4WD and 500 bhp plus on tap, the Stelvio Quadrifoglio promises to be a front-runner in the high-performance SUV sector. It'll do 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. 3. Alpine A110. Price, £40,000, est. On sale, 2018. Legendary French sports car marque Alpine is back, and while its new A110 sports coupe has been doing the motor show circuit for some time now, the production car won't hit dealers until 2018. The lines are inspired by the classic A110 of the 70s, but under the skin it uses Renault's latest 1.8-liter turbocharged engine. This is the same unit found in the new Megane Rs, albeit with less power. The 249 bhp unit should offer plenty of poke, however, as the lightweight Alpine is geared towards nimble handling rather than outright performance. 4. Audi A1. Price, from £15,000, est. On sale, winter 2018. The all-new second-generation A1 will be based on the same MQB platform as the latest Seat Ibiza and Volkswagen Polo. Compared with the current car, that means it'll grow in length by about 90 mm, as well as sitting on a longer wheelbase to free up more interior space for passengers and luggage. Our exclusive image shows that the styling of the new Super Mini will evolve from the current car, with sharper LED headlamps and wider rear lights. Inside, the A1 will be offered with Audi's virtual cockpit digital dials and an updated MMI infotainment system. Power will come from the VW Group's latest engines, including both 1.0 and 1.5-liter TFSI turbocharged petrol units with power outputs ranging from about 90 bhp to 150 bhp. It's likely the firm will also offer a replacement to the scintillating S1 hot hatch with Quattro four-wheel drive, and it could even launch a plug-in hybrid A1 to take on the BMW i3. 5. Audi A6. Price, from £35,000, est. On sale, late 2018. Fully autonomous driving tech is edging nearer to reality, and in a demonstration of how trickle-down technology works with car makers, the next A6 Executive Saloon will showcase a suite of electronic driving aids that are shared with the recently launched A8 limo. Our exclusive image reflects the view that the A6 will also share its looks with the A8. As before, Avant Estate and high-riding all-road models will feature in the range, and we can expect a new RS6 Avant Super Estate to top the lineup, albeit with a downsized twin-turbo V6 engine.